Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland is a Mack Rides Xtreme Spinning Coaster which opened at Plopsaland de Panne in Belgium in the summer of 2021. So with P&O offering £20 return day trips to Calais at the moment, I took my debut trip to Plopsaland earlier this week to check out this very positively received new attraction for myself. I'm Paul from Loop Theme Park Adventures, and these are my first impressions of Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland. The first thing you notice as you enter the ride plaza is how well presented it is. Themed around the Belgian dance music festival Tomorrowland, the ride station is adorned with a kind of steampunk meets sci-fi motif. Brightly coloured flowers tower overhead, and even the ground has something to say, with the coaster's tagline, "Live today, love tomorrow, unite forever," carved into wood on the entrance bridge. The steampunk aesthetic continues in the queue line, with gold and copper piping, fans, UV lighting and screens setting the scene. The entire package has been taken into consideration when developing this attraction, not just the ride hardware, and that only adds to the immersion and experience. Onto the coaster itself, and put quite simply, this ride is insane. It begins with an outward banking JoJo roll straight out of the station, producing crazy amounts of hang time, then glides down into the first of its two launches, and wow, this launch packs a real punch. Mack often get a bit of stick from enthusiasts for their slightly tame launches, but this powers riders towards the first hill, spinning wildly as they go. And I have to say, a spinning launch is absolutely crazy. You have no idea where you are. The entry to the top hat then provides a huge pop of ejector if you're at the front of the train, while at the back you'll be launched out of your seat as you come down the other side. The subsequent banana roll sends you all over the place down into a huge vertical loop, followed by a 0G roll before banking into the second launch. And not content with just a standard launch, this one includes an airtime hill midway through, before sending you into a step up underflip, which sounds like some kind of snowboarding trick, which seems apt as the sensations produced by Ride to Happiness are akin to what I imagine a Shaun White half-pipe routine to feel like. A couple of sweeping turns and two little bunny hops finish off the experience. It's not often that I get blown away by a new roller coaster to the point where I'm just giggling to myself as I exit the station, but that's the effect Ride to Happiness has. It produces unique sensation after unique sensation, combining numerous moments of extreme ejector airtime with prolonged hang time, all at angles your body is unfamiliar with due to its free spinning nature. This also makes it incredibly re-rideable, as the experience varies from ride to ride. I managed 7 goes on it and was approaching elements at different angles and positions every single time. It's almost the perfect ride. I say almost, as Ride to Happiness is not without two very minor flaws, and frankly these are bordering on nitpicks, and one of them is completely necessary for the sake of safety, which is that you will get stapled on this ride, which can make it a little uncomfortable for marathon sessions. After 4 rides in a row, my hip bones were starting to feel the punishment they were taking. Secondly, the 2 bunny hops at the end are a little jerky. You kind of shuffle back and forwards in your seat rather than experiencing any nice floater airtime. Perhaps a single more drawn out hill would have been nicer, but like I say, these are really minor criticisms of an otherwise absolutely fantastic and frankly bonkers attraction. Plopsaland de Panne and Mack Rides have really created something special here. A complete package of a ride that combines an insane series of elements with onboard sound and a psychedelic theme. Keep watching, as I'm going to end this video with a POV of my first ride, as sometimes a series of surprised yelps and gasps says more than my extended hyperbole ever would. And if you've experienced Ride to Happiness yourself, then why not let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you're new here, then why not subscribe for loads more theme park content. Be excellent to each other, and I'll catch you next time here on Loop Theme Park Adventures.